Hi Joe, about the other tabs of Hilumz price sheet, the other tabs of price loom spreadsheet is strips line, okay, strip lines, and the product item is S22, okay, and when I search all the product item of Hilumz in our QPL site, this is the result. Hilum H and 15, H and 15, 80, 50K, K, DN to Hilumz S44. Oh, I see S44. 1, 2, 3. I see 3 S44. S44. I see DM 120, DM 60, DM 120 again, DM 150, 1D, DM 150, 1N, DM 60, 1N, DM 60, 1D, 60, 1D, DM 60, 60, 60, DM 300, DM 240, the next page, DM 240, DM 240, 1D. Can't find the S22 Hilumz. About this S22, I can't find S22. But but I see the S44, S44 of Hilumz. I see 3 product item here. S44, S44, S44. They are already calculated. What should I do? I need advice. Thanks.